Hi, today I am going to deal with the topic phonetics. Phonetics. For the purpose of communication, a language can be used in two ways. It can be spoken or written. So, what is communication? Communication is sending message and receiving message between the speaker and the receiver. We send some message, I send some message, the other person he receives or she receives that message. That is called communication. Sending message and receiving a message is called communication. And for this purpose of communication, a language can be used in two ways. Language is used in two ways. It can be either spoken or written. The language can be used for the purpose of communication, and this language can be used in two ways, that is spoken or written. We can communicate using the same language, using the spoken medium or the written medium. So we can communicate something. We send some message. We communicate something using the same language, using the spoken medium or the written medium. For example, if I say that, if I call my son and ask my son, give me that book. This is spoken form. And what is the written form for this? I write. I called my son. I asked my son to give my book. So, the communication can be used using the spoken medium or the written medium. The medium of speech is more important. The medium of speech is more important than the medium of writing. Medium of writing, first we had the spoken form. First spoken form evolved. Later on, written form came into existence. The medium of speech is more important. It is more important than the medium of writing. Why? Because speech comes first. In the life of man, speech comes first. Man started speaking. Speech came first, and then later on writing came. Okay, in the history of language community. So speech came first, and later on writing came later on. Okay. Secondly, speech comes first in the history of any individual. In my history, speech it came first, because after my birth, I started talking to my mother. Any person, he starts talking to his mother. Any girl, she starts talking to her mother. So I start talking to my mother. So speech comes first in my life. We started speaking long before we started writing. We started speaking long before we started writing. Okay. So first, in the life of man, in the life of any individual, speech comes first. Later, writing it comes. Okay. Yeah. Thirdly, speech as a medium of communication is used much more than the medium of writing. Speech as a medium of communication for each and everything, for each and every individual. Speech is the medium of communication than writing. People use more and more medium of communication in the form of spoken form. Okay. They don't use written form. We don't use written form. If we want anything, we speak. Okay, in the form of words, but we don't write those words on paper. We don't write. So we speak. So thirdly, speech as a medium of communication is used much more than the medium of writing. Okay, so speech comes first in the life of any individual. Fourthly, written language is only an attempt to represent using marks on paper the sounds used in spoken language. Fourthly, if we take Fourthly, as the fourth point, written language is only an attempt to represent using marks. Written form is used to represent some marks on paper. The sounds used in spoken language. The sounds used in spoken language. We use certain sounds in spoken language, and then we keep those sounds in the form of marks on the paper in writing medium. Okay, so fourthly, written language is only an attempt. It is an attempt to represent using marks on paper the sounds used in the spoken language. So spoken language is represented in the form of marks, in the form of language on paper. So written language is only an attempt to represent using marks on paper the sounds used in spoken language. In every language, a letter of the alphabet represents a particular sounds. Say in English we have 26 alphabets, A to Z. They are called alphabet. Okay, so a letter of the alphabet represents a particular sound. For example, A is there, B is there, C is there. So in phonetics, we have certain sound for A, certain sound for B, certain sound for C, certain sound for D. So each alphabet represents a particular sound in every language. In Telugu also, each letter has its own sound. In English also, we have 44 sounds. 20 are vowels and 24 are consonants. Okay. Lastly, modern technology has contributed tremendously to the importance of speech. Modern technology has given more importance to speech. And what is modern technology? Devices like telephone, radio, and tape recorder. They are called modern technology, and they have raised the problems of communication. These modern technological devices like telephone, radio, and tape recorder, they have raised the problems of communication concerned with speech. So lastly, modern technology has contributed much to the importance of speech. And these devices like telephone, radio, and tape recorder, they have given much importance to speech. Okay. Now we are going to see what is linguistics. What is linguistics? Linguistics is a systematic study of language. Linguistics is a systematic study of language. Systematic study of language. And then what is phonetics? Phonetics is a branch of linguistics. Systematic study of language is called linguistics. And what is phonetics? Phonetics is the branch of linguistics. And it deals with medium of speech. Linguistics deals with medium of speech. Okay. It deals with production. It deals with transmission. And it deals with reception of the sounds of human speech. So, what is phonetics? Phonetics is a branch of linguistics. What is linguistics? Linguistics is a systematic study of language. And phonetics, branch of linguistics. Phonetics deals with the medium of speech. How human beings produce sounds. How people produce sounds. Okay, it deals with the medium of speech. It deals with production. It deals with transmission. And it deals with reception. So, production is involved in phonetics, transmission is involved, and reception is involved. So, we produce certain sounds. That is called production. We produce certain sounds. We produce sentences. We produce words, sentences. We produce. Okay, we produce certain sounds. We produce certain words. We produce certain sentences. Okay, that is called production. How we produce? We produce by making use of certain speech organs. I will deal with all these speech organs in the next video. Production of speech sounds, Phonetics deals with production. Transmission. What is transmission? When we produce sounds, we transmit those sounds to the receiver. We send those sounds to the receiver. That is called reception. Received by the receiver. Okay. So this phonetics deals with three things: production of the sounds, transmission of the sounds, and then reception of the sounds, reception of the human speech. So this is about this is the introduction about phonetics. Phonetics is the branch of linguistics. And what is linguistics? Linguistics is the study of language. Okay. And then phonetics deals with production, transmission, and reception of the sounds of human speech. Okay. Thank you.